monkey?
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? I'm just in Seminyak and the 66 area, just next to the famous 66 hotel. I will show you guys around today how it looks, things. It's more live now, as you can see. Some bars are open. I just wanna show you the sign of 66 luxury hotel Seminyak. It's over here and it's closed. And then I will go into La Plancha area and stuff, and we will see how is the things over there.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave.
66 Seminyak is quite a famous hotel. I hear this is very nice. Actually never stayed there, but at least I hear that song from some friends who used to stay there. Maybe one day. However, at the moment it's closed. Anyway, as you can see, condition over here is how it is, but some bars are open.
I don't want you when you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up. It's time to get out. Everything's different. I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving. I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could have had everything, but
Right. Oh. So now I'm passing the famous La Plancha. I make a vlog in La Plancha about 2 weeks ago with Winny. Yo, what's up?
Hi, what's up, bro?
If you are interested, link below. I make a full entire vlog almost about the La Plancha and the beach over here. Very nice vlog. If you're interested, please watch it. However, now I'm gonna walk to the north part of the street. We'll see how is the things over here. By the way, this area is very famous. This area is very famous from the gay community, gay district in Bali. I don't care, I don't mind. I'm very open-minded person. I don't give a shit where you're coming from, what race you are. You are coming from Australia or Bali, Indonesia, Java, Russia or Portugal or Spain. You are Asian, white, black, Christian, Muslim, whatever. I don't give a shit about that, and that's good. However, I'm very interested. What do you think about the opinion? Will be probably a lot of comments about that. As you can see already, these two guys. So, like I said, I'm very interested. I will read loads of comments after this video. However, I just wanna let you know, as I'm very open-minded about this stuff. And also, me and Winnie, we have a gay couple friends. I have a lesbian friends. Actually, that's super interesting. Trust me. I will make a few snaps and I will tell you a story about the lesbian couple. How is the friendship with lesbian?
please just for once say that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah. Or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave.
just past Anandara Hotel, also very nice hotel. Yo, what's up? And as you saw, that was just the check-in, two guys into the hotel. I don't care, maybe they are brothers or if they are gays. I don't give a shit about that. However, I just want to tell you the story about my lesbian friend. She's a very nice girl, well, but she's lesbian anyway. And once, when I used to still living in Europe, I went with her into one bar just after work. Normal, she was lesbian anyway, and was the one girl sitting alone in the bar. And my friend told to me, okay, Damian, just can you please stay away from me and don't look at me or don't talk to me or anything? And I said, yeah, well, why, right, okay, but what's happened? Yeah, you see this chick over there? I wanna flirt with her. Maybe we'll spend night together or something. I say, yeah, alright, why not? Yeah, so just stay away from me because I don't wanna think as she will think as we are together, as you are my boyfriend or something. Yeah, sure, no worries. And that was the last time when I saw her in this bar. However, that's the real story. Of course, we are still friends and it's the good crack. However, you have to be just open-minded person. It doesn't matter what sexuality you are, your gender you are, what religion you are, or where are you coming from, especially where are you coming from. A lot of racist things nowadays in Bali and elsewhere about this guy is coming from this guy is coming from there, and blah blah blah. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. If you are a bad person, you are just bad person, and if you are a good person, you are just good person. Simple as that. I hope so you agree with me. Oh my god, this footpath is so small. Yo, what's up? So I have now some private escort of the dogs. Kinky Tiki. So funny place. I didn't know that. Actually, I'm not super familiar with this area. Now I'm next to the Grandma's Hotel and some kind of restaurant. However, they are closed. I will show you now.
You say that I don't care about you, but not anymore. 'Cause you forgot about us. All you wanna do is fight, bringing me down every night. Yeah, I think that I'd rather be alone.
Well, like land for sale if you are interested. Anyway, like I said before, I'm not super familiar with this area. Courtyard Marriott closed. Well, I show you a few snaps over here.
Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both. 'Cause I don't even want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah.
But like I said, I'm not super familiar with this area. However, it's very quiet, as you can see. Nothing new. And I heard also, as on this street is quite a lot of the gay bar, where the gay community are coming and having party, and that's a good place. I don't know. I'll find out if somehow this video gonna go viral, or at least little bit viral, and gonna hit, let's say, 200 likes and more than 100 video comments. I will go inside this bar and I'm gonna make another vlog, or Winnie gonna make another vlog, and I'm gonna pretend as I'm a gay. But no, that's not nice to pretend, so I will just go and make a vlog. See him? Nothing to be shy. So, till know what to do. Like, share, comment, make it viral. More people watch. Better for me, better for you guys. More interesting content after that. Anyway, well, what I can say, not much is happening here.
Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. Wasting my time trying to get you to get me, 'cause you don't want to, yeah. Get my point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong. This could have been a different song, and now I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah.
Well, this is the street, Jalan Kapla, goddamn, forgot, Kampung Tanduk, or something like that. Yeah, so the conditions here is how it is. Yeah, somebody commented I don't need to say this word because you can see. So as you can see, this building is for rent. If you are interested to open the nice cafe, restaurant in Bali, that seems to be nice place. I will zoom it for you. Yeah, still heading to the gay bars. I'm so curious.
Mr. Monkey?
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys?
So nice
You are the first person to recognize me. Yo, what's up? I just met some fans on the street. We spoke. I will share their links below over here. And yeah, what do you think about the current condition in Bali?
Crazy. It's so empty. The streets and the shops, it's insane.
Yeah. We are also YouTubers. The guys from India and the lovely girl is from Seattle,
Yes.
Washington, America, United States. Lots of people watching me from United States, so subscribe their channel and also mine. Don't forget about that. Yeah, okay, I will continue vlog. Take care and happy birthday, this guy.
Yeah.
Happy birthday today.
Today's my birthday. Thank you.
I forgot what was my topic actually. I just meet these people, they recognize me on the street. Oh, you are Mr. Monkey. Very nice. They are from, like I said, from America and India. They just start the YouTube channel in Bali. For me, we have any competition in as YouTube because we are all different. We have all different styles. Just subscribe their channel. They are just the beginners. Anyway, back to the topic. I'm heading to this bar's gay community area. I don't know where is it. However, I'm not even sure if something is open, because as you see, as it's quiet, deadly quiet. Yeah, so what should I say? Hospital is open.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight, 'cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? So
here is the Bush Bar, sport and bar. I don't think so, as this place is the gay bar. However, I don't know. Not much is happening here. What I can say, as you can see, it's kinda quiet. And over the bar, you see people on. Just the rugby match is starting. Few fellas over there. Will not disturb them. Well, they are for sure not the gays anyway. Yeah, that's how it looks, the condition, situation in SEMINYAK Bali.
We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time. Can we stay here tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time.
I'm walking and walking, and I cannot see anything over here. That's actually quite disappointing, I have to say. I don't know, maybe I'm in the wrong place, or these bars are mostly closed, because I just arrived to the corner between Raja Seminyak, yo, what's up? Raja Seminyak and Lesbian Street, and it's completely nothing happening. Well, if I'm gonna go to La Plancha, for sure there will be few couples there. However, I don't wanna go to La Plancha anymore. Yeah, that's the Lesbian Street over there. Yeah. We're heading back. This is the Frankenstein tattoo and Frankenstein bar. Frankenstein's tattoo seems like it's already is gone, because it's nothing inside. Frankenstein laboratory, yeah, it's just closed, and they put like something I cannot see. However, it's really not much is happening here. Yeah, that's it, just nothing is happening, right? Alright, I'm going back to La Plancha, the 46 area. I left my bike over there, it's quite far. As you see, not much is happening. It's really no party and nothing here. It's not the point me to showing you return way, because it's all the same. We'll just show you this bar, mix well. Maybe over here was some party or something. However, nothing is happening. I will finish this vlog now. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.
You know that I don't wanna feel this way again, so let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now,